Hi, I'm Callum from the UK. Today we've been staying at the Big 4 St Helens holiday park, which has been really fantastic. It's a general holiday park. It's set in a really good area, just down from the beach and really close to the town. Everything's walking distance, about 5 to 10 minutes. We've been staying in the bunk house area with an outdoor fire pit, outdoor kitchen, and dining area. And these bunk houses are really, really cool. They're built into sort of cargo containers, and they're just really lovely rooms, 2 separate beds, and just work really, really well. I just think that they're great, and I'd love to stay somewhere like this again on my travels or when I get back to the UK. Other things that they've got are your general holiday park rooms, as well as powered and non-powered sites. There's a kids play area, TV room, a giant jumping pillow. It's all close to the Bay of Fires, so it's easy to get into access from mainland Australia. It's generally a great place to stay.